Top 5 most popular programming languages. Here we delve into the world of these unsung heroes behind your favorite applications, websites, and software systems. At number 5, there's CHash, a versatile child of Microsoft, used extensively for building Windows applications, web applications, and games via the Unity game engine. CHash is a favorite for its powerful capabilities and simplicity, making it ideal for developing desktop and enterprise applications. Next, at number 4, is C++. Renowned for its high performance and efficiency, C++ is the go-to language for system programming, game development, and performance-critical applications. Taking the third spot is Java. Known for its robustness, Java is a staple in enterprise development. Its platform independence and strong community support have paved the way for its use in Android apps, enterprise applications, and server-side systems. In second place, we have JavaScript. Essential for creating interactive websites and web applications, JavaScript is supported by all major browsers and has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, making it indispensable in front-end web development. And the crown goes to Python, a high-level programming language known for its readability and simplicity. Python's clean syntax and extensive libraries make it a favorite for web development, data analysis, AI, scientific computing, and automation. Python is truly a jack of all trades. There we have it, the top 5 most popular programming languages. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a coding newbie, these languages offer a world of possibilities. Stay curious, stay coding.